Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can perform pass rush moves in College Football 27. Let's try the basic one. For that, you need to move your right analog stick in any direction and you'll able to complete the basic pass rush move or perform basic pass rush move. We're gonna try the swim one now. For that, we just need to move the right analog stick toward the bottom left or bottom right, just like this. Let's try it one more time. You can see it is completed. So this is exactly how we're able to complete the swim pass rush move. We're gonna try the club one now. For that, again we need to follow the same process, like just move your right analog stick toward the top left or top right, and this just like this you'll able to perform the club pass rush move. Let's try it one more time, and yeah, this is completed too. So this is how we'll able to complete the club pass rush move. We're gonna try the next one, and it is rip pass rush move. For that, you need to flick your right analog stick toward the right hand side or left hand side. Let's try it one more time. Just flick the right analog stick toward the left or right, and yeah, it is that easy. Now let's have a look on bull rush. So for that, you need to flick the right analog stick upwards and you'll able to complete this bull rush or bull pass rush. So yeah, that's it. Now let's try the next one, which is spin pass rush move. So for spin, we need to move the right analog stick toward the right hand side or left hand side, like from bottom to left or bottom to right, just like this. And now we're gonna try the long arm pass rush move. For that, flick the right analog stick toward the bottom and you'll able to perform the long arm pass rush move. Now for stutter step pass rush move, you need to press RT or R2 for stutter step right and LT or L2 for stutter step left. So let's try for the left one. We're gonna press the LT or L2, and you can see it is almost completed. So yeah, that's it. This is exactly how you're able to perform stutter step pass rush move in College Football 27. So the last one is SWAT pass rush move. For that, we need to press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, and just like that, you'll able to perform SWAT pass rush move in College Football 27. So yeah guys, that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you'll able to perform all pass rush moves in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.